Welcome to
Sakura
Study Notes. In this video, let's take a look at our complete hiragana learning journey for beginners. Hiragana is one of the writing systems used in Japanese. Here's our learning journey. 1. Basic hiragana. 2.
Dakuten
And.
Handakuten
3.
Yōon
4.
Sokuon
5.
Chōon
6. The final review. We started with the 5 basic hiragana vowels. Let's practice to read.
I, U, E, O.
Let's read the 5 basic vowels. Can you read them? Next, we learned the K row. Let's practice to read.
Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Next, we continued with the S row. Let's practice to read.
Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Next, the T row. Let's practice to read.
Ta, Chi, Su, Te, To.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Next, we learned the N row. Let's practice to read.
Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Next, we moved on to the H row. Let's practice to read.
Ha, Hi, Fu, He, Ho.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Next, we learned the M row. Let's practice to read.
Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Next, we learned the 3 basic Y row characters. Let's practice to read.
Ya, Yu, Yo.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Next, we learned the R row. Let's practice to read.
Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Finally, we learned
Wa, Wo, N.
Let's practice to read.
Wa, Wo, N.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Here is the full chart of completed basic hiragana. After learning basic hiragana, we moved on to Dakuten and learned how it changes certain hiragana sounds.
Ga, Gi, Gu, Ge, Go. Za, Ji, Zu, Ze, Zo. Da, Ji, Zu, Re, Do. Ba, Bi, Bu, Be, Bo.
After Dakuten, we learned Handakuten and how it changes the H row into the P row.
Pa, Pi, Pu, Pe, Po.
We reviewed how the H row changes with Dakuten and Handakuten. Next, we moved on to Yōon and learned how an I sound hiragana combines with a small ya, yu, or yo. K plus
Yōon, Kya, Kyu, Kyo.
S plus
Yōon, Sha, Shu, Sho.
T plus
Yōon, Cha, Chu, Cho.
N plus
Yōon, Nya, Nyu, Nyo.
H plus
Yōon, Hya, Hyu, Hyo.
M plus
Yōon, Nya, Nyu, Nyo.
R plus
Yōon, Rya, Ryu, Ryo. Yōon,
with Dakuten.
Gya, Gyu, Gyo. Ja, Ju, Jo. りゃ、りゅ、りょ。
Next, we moved on to Sokuon and learned the role of the small
す、
We explored how the small
す、
creates a short pause and doubles the following consonant sound. We then saw Sokuon used in words such as
学校、切って、雑誌、いっぱい。
Finally, we moved on to Chōon and learned about long vowel sounds in hiragana. We explored the long a sound through examples such as
おばさん、
and.
おばあさん、
Next, we looked at the long I sound through
おじさん、
and.
おじいさん、
We then explored the long U sound through
茎、
and.
空気。
Finally, we looked at long E and O sounds through several examples.
お姉さん、先生、大きい、高校。
After completing the main stages, here's a look at everything we learned. And here is the complete basic hiragana chart for reference. Congratulations! You've learned hiragana from basic to beyond basic. Keep practicing and take your time. You don't have to learn everything at once. Learn hiragana through our short lessons and study at your own pace. Start with the basics, then continue with beyond basic hiragana as you progress. Keep learning Japanese with Sakura Study Notes. Subscribe for more Japanese lessons.